So I actually almost forgot to film the intro for this video. I know, shame on me, but it has been so long since I've been in front of the camera. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks, I think. I was sick all week last week in bed, but I'm back now. I still don't sound quite normal, but I'm back and I'm really excited about it. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you aren't already, and turn on notifications by clicking the bell. And yeah, I think we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video because I don't like long intros, so I'm assuming you guys probably don't either. So let's just go ahead and get into the video.
So we're just going to start with a quick run through of what my planner / bullet journal just kind of looks like. So there's probably some parts where I'm not talking and whatever, but I'm sure you guys will be okay with that, right? But yeah, we're just going to do a quick run through, and then I'll go through each individual page and kind of show you guys a little bit more of what it's about, and just kind of what I have in my bullet journal / planner. I really enjoy doing this. It's just a way for me to kind of just relax while I draw lines or doodle or whatever. It also helps me to be a little bit creative and kind of find what I like and what I don't like, and I just really like that about like this homemade bullet journal / planner. I honestly just used a composition notebook that I found at Walmart that was cute, and that's what I honestly use. I mean, I know that there's like bullet journals and special things out there and planners that cost, you know, $50, $60 or more, but I just wanted something simple that I could just be creative with and make from scratch. So that's what I chose to do. It's a much cheaper method, and I, again, personally really like it. So I really encourage you guys to go out and just get a notebook, or maybe you already have a notebook you can use, and just using that for your planner or bullet journal, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, mine's both. I don't know what to really call it, to be honest, but yeah, I just really like it, and I like going on Pinterest and finding inspiration for my spreads. So again, that's something else I encourage you to do. You can follow me on Pinterest, actually. It's Chloe_YT. If you guys want to go check me out, you definitely can. I have a board devoted just for like journaling and lettering and that sort of thing. So yeah, I'll have it linked down below. It's always in the description box. But yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right in, and I'm going to go individually page by page through my planner / bullet journal. So starting page, we always have our index. I haven't updated this in a while, so it's not got all of my pages on it, but it's got the majority of them. I also have my spending log, which I do monthly now, so I don't really use that anymore. I have my 2018 goals, and then I also have my what's on Netflix. So if I'm just kind of wanting to see what I have on my Netflix list, I try to update this often. But yeah, I got some old throwback movies on there, so don't judge me. I also have my morning routine, like my ideal morning routine, written out so I can see that if I ever have time to do that or make time to do that. I have a master chore list, so I know what I need to be cleaning weekly, monthly, etc. I have a little savings bank so I can reach my savings goals monthly. I also have a book log, which I'm trying to read one book every 2 weeks, but it's not going so well for me. So that's that, so I can just keep track of what I read. My favorite meals in case I'm kind of in a rut and like need some ideas. And then we have January, so I have my January goals. This was set up kind of differently. I did like 3 different categories for January. I have my habit tracker, which I didn't fill in at the end of the month, but I also just kind of failed at my habits, so we won't tell anyone, right? Anyway, and then I have my January playlist. I love making a playlist every single month, so that was one that I definitely enjoyed doing. I have my meal plan, so I usually use sticky notes, but then at the end of the month I usually just wrote it out. Breakfast, lunch, supper, and then snack, and then grocery list, which I also use Post-it notes for. I just stuck them in there. And then we have the weekly spread. So this was a pretty simple but fun layout that I really enjoyed doing. I kind of slacked with the coloring of it and stuff at the end of the month, but it's all good. Then I also have my wish list and then my nighttime routine, just kind of, again, just a glimpse of that. If you guys want to see my nighttime routine, I will have that as well as my morning routine linked below, as well as in the cards. So now we have my February spreads. I apologize, I forgot to film like the habit tracker and that part like in depth. I have my February playlist on the next page, and then a meal plan. Again, I used the Post-it notes. Grocery list, I just wrote it out in February. I just whatever. I have a February expenses, so like eating out, groceries, etc. And then I have my weekly spreads, which I changed up a couple different times throughout the month, and I finally found one that I really enjoyed. Then I have my March spread, which is the month we're currently in, and there on the left side I have the monthly spread, and then on the right side I have my habit tracker. Sorry, I had to block out the monthly spread because I didn't want you guys to see what videos I'm uploading since we're just starting out with March. And then I have my March playlist, which I also haven't filled in yet, March expenses, as well as my income, and then my weekly spreads. So that is everything for my bullet journal / planner.
So guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed seeing a little bit into my planner and how I try to organize my life and keep it organized and straight and just know what I'm doing. I also do try to be like somewhat flexible with my time, and like in case something comes up or someone wants to hang out with me, I try to keep that flexible and whatever. So I don't know what I'm trying to say, but that's totally fine. But yeah, I just try to keep my life a little bit flexible and my time not so planned out and scheduled that I don't have time for anything else or anyone else. So yeah, that's just something to keep in mind, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it in my planner, and it's just a fun little thing that I like to do, like keeping track of Netflix shows, or you know, little things like that, or kind of writing out what my morning routine or my ideal morning routine is supposed to look like. It's just fun for me to do that, and I just enjoy like doodling, even though my doodles look horrible. I just enjoy doing it. So I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. Again, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to love always. Bye guys.
I wanna be a fire starter. You can help me.